Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your LearnWorlds account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you import or upload your contacts into your LearnWorlds account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to import your contacts into LearnWorlds anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes it's common to switch over to a different service provider, and you want to be sure to bring your contacts into your LearnWorlds account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your LearnWorlds dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my LearnWorlds account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to import your contacts, here on the left side, you're going to click on Users. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the contacts you have in LearnWorlds. However, to import your other contacts, you're going to click here on Bulk Actions. Okay, once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Import Users. Okay, once you do that, you're going to get the option right here to choose a file from your desktop. Once you've chosen the file for your import list, you're going to scroll down and you can go ahead and add tags to this list. So maybe this list came from Facebook or this list came from Instagram. You can go ahead and tag that here. And then here you can go ahead and choose to update existing users if there's a match. And also you can choose to send a welcome email to this list. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to import or upload your contact list into LearnWorlds, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.